Check the shock watch warning indicator on the Roam to assure that no alarm has been triggered. Locate the top rack unit where the Roam chassis will sit in the rack and install the sliders in that rack unit. Extend the sliders and use at least one level to level between the two sliders and also facing back to the rear of the rack. Elevate the Roam using the server lift in between the sliders. Insert and finger tighten the 6 screws on either side of the Roam into the slider. Then you can tighten all 6 on either side. You may also attach the ears on either side of the Roam. This will allow for you to mount the Roam directly to the rack, keeping it secure and in place.